Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and fix your account cannot be used in this location on Netflix. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the thing that there could be some obvious reason is that if you simply have any kinds of VPN turned on and is connected with your device right here, and you have created your account with another country's information and you've added that, then the mismatch would cause the problem for your Netflix to access your particular account, right? So if you have added the information and if VPN is turned on, so that is it. Other would be simply if you're getting that kind of information, you are gonna recheck your account's information as well, and then you're simply gonna go ahead, simply access your Netflix and then reinstall your particular Netflix account as well. Simply gonna go ahead, reinstall your particular Netflix, and if it doesn't work for your app, go ahead, access it from your browser once and check if it works or not. If still doesn't help, then you can go ahead, go to your Netflix help center and report for the problem. So that is the way for you to solve it and why it is being caused. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.